Welcome to our phone transformer. In this video, I'll explain how to switch to business account on Instagram and why it's useful for growing your brand or page. I'll walk you through each step so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. This is important because account settings are only available after logging in. Step 2, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your profile page where all personal and professional account options are located. Step 3, tap on the Hamburger icon in the top right corner. This opens the main menu that contains settings, tools, and account controls. Step 4, scroll down until you find the For Professionals section. Step 5, tap on Account Type and Tools. This option lets you manage what type of account you are using on Instagram. Step 6, tap on Switch to Professional Account. This starts the process of changing your personal account to a professional one. Step 7, tap Next to continue. This moves you forward through the setup screens. Step 8, select a category that best matches your business or brand. This helps Instagram understand what your account is about. Step 9, turn on the toggle for display on profile. This allows your chosen category to appear publicly on your profile. Step 10, tap Switch to Professional Account. This confirms that you want to move ahead with the professional setup. Step 11, select Business. Choosing this option unlocks features like insights, promotions, and contact buttons. Step 12, tap Next to proceed. This finalizes your business account selection. Step 13, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once finished, your Instagram account will be successfully switched to a business account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more easy and helpful tutorials.